Hi everyone. 안녕하세요. This is your Korean 쌤 진아. Today we're going to learn 입을 막다. Repeat after me. 입을 막다. Okay. So 막다 is to block or prevent something. So block your mouth or prevent your mouth. 뭐예요? Let's go. Here. Oh, he is blocking her mouth and she is really surprised. So we can guess, we can assume she was going to say something and he was like, oh, no, don't say. Can you guess? So 입을 막다 is literally to block the mouth, but it means to force someone to stop talking. Don't say about it. Don't tell. It's 입을 막다. So it is used when a person makes someone to stop talking about something when he or she is at a disadvantage. So she was going to say something bad about him and he was, no, he stopped. So let's say he broke up with ex-girlfriend a week ago and he actually started dating again with another girl. So she was going to tell other friends, hey, he has new girlfriend, but he thinks it's not a good thing. So, oh, no, don't. Not now, not yet. So it is used like this. Okay, let's see the examples. A. 윤서 씨, 오늘 회의 시간에도 졸 거예요? 졸다, 뭐예요? nod off예요. 졸 거예요? And B. 윤서 says, 봤어요? 과장님한테는 말하지 마세요. Please don't tell to the boss. A. 전 입이 가벼운데요. Well, I have a big mouth. 제 입을 막으려면 커피 사세요. You should buy me coffee to stop talking. To make me stop talking. B. 물론이죠. Of course. 네. So this is joking. So you should buy me coffee if you want me to stop or want me to be quiet. Okay, let's check the exercise. Number 1, choose the sentence which correctly uses 입을 막다. Number 1, 내 잘못이 알려질까 봐 친구의 입을 막았어요. I blocked my friend's mouth. Why? I'm afraid of my fault is revealed. 괜찮아요? 맞아요. 네. Because he or she was afraid, so he blocked her or his mouth. So number 2, 친구의 결혼 소식을 알리려고 입을 막았어요. I blocked my friend's mouth to let others know her wedding or his wedding. Why block? 아니에요. Number 3, 음식을 많이 먹으려고 입을 막았어요? 아니요. 음식을 많이 먹어요? 입 막아요? There is nothing to do with each other. Number 4. 너무 배가 불러서 입을 막았어요. Because I was too full, I blocked. 아니에요. So number 1 is the answer. And here, 입을 막다, to block others' mouth. Yeah. But it doesn't literally the behavior of blocking the mouth. It means actually to block mouth in advance, to force others to not tell something in advance. Okay, so number 2, complete the sentence. 사람들의 blank 뇌물을 줬어요. 뇌물 뭐예요? 뇌물 is bribe. So, 뇌물을 줬어요. I gave a bribe. I gave bribes to others. In order to 입을 막으려고 뇌물을 줬어요. Okay, this is not good, but it's a good example sentence. Okay, hope you guys understand well and see you next time. 안녕히 계세요.